It's called The Phoenix Shall Rise. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. You see, this right here can happen to any one of us. We may get battered, we may get bruised, but understand we will not lose. Tragedy affects all of our lives. However, for it is out of the ashes the phoenix shall rise. She was first in many things in the Western Hemisphere. She's been enslaved coup after coup, but she is still here. Her land Columbus did not discover. He slaughtered her ancestors. She was a slave for 3 centuries. But 1791 she began to change her destiny. In 1799, in the Siege of Savannah, her sons fought in a critical battle for America. I guess many don't remember on how her children bled and died together with America in the colonial war. But now her children are treated like animals in this wet and dry law. She fought and damaged the French army so that they could not resurface. This allowed Thomas Jefferson to double the size of the colonies and make the Louisiana Purchase. A lot of people don't know this, though, that one of her sons established the city of Chicago. To my Jewish family and friends, after the Holocaust, she welcomed you with open arms. To my Panamanians, Colombians, Ecuadorians, Venezuelans, and Peruvians, it was she, Ayiti, that aided you in your independence. See, Simon Bolivar could not have gone far without her children's help in 1817. Now in 2012, most of her children are treated like less than human beings. The Duvalier dictators raped, stole, and murdered anyone or anything. Now 26 years later, baby Doc has returned, what, to become his king? Or is it something else that he's plotting again with his friends behind the scenes? January 12th, 2010, she was devastatingly shaken and thousands of her children were killed. Several million were homeless and still are missing. How can she bear so much still? But ashes to ashes, dust to dust. You see, this right here can happen to any one of us. We may get battered, we may get bruised, but understand, Ayiti, we will not lose. Tragedy affects all of our lives. However, for it is out of the ashes, the phoenix, Ayiti, shall rise.